So in this video we're just going to do a quick run through on how to work out a percentage profit or loss. So basically if you bought something and you sell it for whatever price, what percentage profit did you make on that sale? Or if you sold it for below cost price, what percentage did you lose on it? So this is the formula first of all. Okay, so to find the percentage profit, you get the profit over the cost price and multiply by 100. Similarly, if it was a loss, it would be the percentage loss, which would be the loss on top, cost price underneath, multiplied by 100. Now I'm going to use this example up on top here first. So if you buy a phone for €200, but then you have a chance to sell it for €250, what is your percentage profit? Okay, so first we need to find out what is our actual profit. So your profit is going to be your selling price minus your cost price. Okay, now the selling price is 250. The cost price is 200. So your profit on the phone is €50. Fairly easy. Now, how do we work out that profit as a percentage of what you paid for it? So what percentage turnover did you get? So you take your profit, as it is here. Profit goes on top of the cost price. Now the cost of the phone was €200. So it's €50 divided by 200 multiplied by 100. So by putting this directly into the calculator, you click a fraction button first. 50 over 200 multiplied by 100, and our answer is 25. So that is our percentage profit. We made 25% profit on selling that phone. Now this case is slightly different. You bought a car for €20,000. You then sold it a year later for €18,000. You obviously lost money, but what is your percentage loss on that car? So it's the same thing. The loss will be the selling price minus the cost price. So we have 18,000. Minus 20,000. So we obviously lost 2,000. Lost €2,000. Now, how do we work that out as a percentage loss? Now, so we've lost €2,000. We know that from our formula on the last page. We had percentage profit was profit over cost price. Now we're going to use percentage of the loss. So just instead of profit, you put down loss. So it is loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Our loss was 2,000. The car cost us 20,000. Multiply by 100, and that will give us your answer. So same thing again. Press your fraction button first. 2,000 over 20,000 multiplied by 100, 10. So we had a 10% loss on selling that car a year later. So in this example, it's going to be a little more complicated, and it links to the last video, but the second question will link directly to this video. So by selling a car for 14,400, a car dealer made a loss of 4%. Now from the last video, we were trying to find out what number represented what percentage. Now, if this means a loss of 4%, 100 take away 4 is 96. So 14,400 is actually 96%. And the question is, what did the car dealer pay for the car originally? So it's obviously going to be a bit more than this. If we have 96%, we want to find what 100% is. And as I said in the last video, the only way to work that out is to get 1% first. So how do you go from 96% down to 1%? Divide by 96. And again, like a weighing scales, if it's balanced with an equals, what you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. So divide this side by 96 means I divide this side by 96. So that gives me 14,400 divided by 96. 1% is €150. We want 100%. So again, to go from 1 to 100, multiply by 100%. Same this side, multiply by 100. So that gives us 15,000. That's how much the car dealer bought the car for. Now the second part of this question, find his percentage profit if he sold the car for 17,250. So this links directly to what I did a couple of minutes ago on this video. So if you want to find a percentage profit, first you have to find a percentage. Now the profit is 17,250. Take away 15,000. We got that from this question. That's how much he paid for the car. So the profit is the selling price minus the cost price. And from that we can see that the profit is 2,250. So to find a percentage profit, we put the profit, similar from, exact same from this formula earlier today, the profit over the cost price. So it is 2,250 divided by 15,000 multiplied by 100, and that gives us a number of, so same thing again, fraction button, 2,250 over multiplied by 100, 15. So that is a 15% profit if he sells the car for 17,250. Okay, so I hope that helps with profit and loss and how to work out the values of both.